It's Mai from Tokyo. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。On today's episode, I will show you how to make simmered daikon radish with sweet miso sauce. Daikon radish is one of the most commonly used vegetables in Japanese cuisine. It tastes sweet, especially in winter. It can be eaten raw or cooked. Today, I will show you how to cook daikon radish as well as how to make sweet miso sauce. For the last touch of the recipe, I will sprinkle yuzu zest over the sauce. You can make without yuzu or you can use another citrus like lemon. So let's get started. Cut the daikon radish in 4 cm circles. Peel the skin. Trim around the top and bottom edges of the daikon radish circles to create beveled edges using a knife. This helps them to keep their shapes when boiled. On one side of each daikon, score its surface in cloths. This technique is used to help daikon radish cook inside. Place daikon radish in a pot. Add enough water to cover daikon radish. Add 2 teaspoons of rice and heat over medium heat. By adding the rice, you can remove the bitterness and harsh taste from the daikon. When the water has boiled, reduce the heat to low. Keep boiling until the daikon are tender. It takes about 25 minutes. In a separate pot, place dried kelp on the bottom of pot and add enough water. When the daikon radish has become tender, drain the water. Place cooked daikon radish into a pan with kelp and water. And heat it over medium heat for 20 minutes. Now I will make sweet miso sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of miso, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 2 tablespoons of water in a small saucepan. Heat it over medium-low heat. Stir the mixture, bring it to boil. And turn off the heat when the sauce is slightly thicker than the original. Serve the daikon radish on a plate and add sweet miso sauce on top of daikon. For the last touch, sprinkle yuzu zest on top of the dish. Today, I showed how to simmer daikon radish in 2 steps. You can make this recipe with turnips as a daikon substitute. The sweet miso sauce is versatile. I will tell you more recipes using the sauce. On this channel, I will share authentic Japanese home cooking, Japanese culture, and local life events from Tokyo. If you find the channel informative, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!